In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a featured image in your page or blog post in Hubspot. A featured image is the main image that represents your content. It usually appears in previews, on listing pages, and when your link is shared on social media. Setting this up correctly helps your page look more polished and can improve click-through rates, so it's worth taking a moment to do it right. Let's start inside your Hubspot account. From your main dashboard, look for the top navigation menu. Hover over or click on the content section. From there, choose either website pages or landing pages, depending on what you're working on. The process is the same for both. You'll now see a list of your existing pages. Find the page you want to add a featured image to. Move your mouse over that page row and you'll see some options appear, including Edit. Click Edit to open the page editor. Once the editor loads, look toward the top of the screen for the Settings tab. This is separate from the Content tab where you normally edit text and modules. Click on Settings. This is where HubSpot keeps things like the page title, meta description, and other background details. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with a number of options. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that sidebar and look for a link or section labeled Advanced Options. Click that to expand more settings. It's easy to miss, so make sure you scroll down far enough. Within the Advanced Options area, find the section called Featured Image. Here, you'll see a toggle switch that controls whether a featured image is used for this page. Turn that switch to On. Once it's enabled, new options will appear, allowing you to choose the image. You'll now see buttons to select or upload an image. If you already have an image in your HubSpot file manager, click Select and pick the one you want from your existing media. If you're adding a new image from your computer, click Upload, choose your file, and wait for it to finish uploading. Try to use a clear, high-quality image that visually represents your content, and make sure it isn't overly small or stretched. After you've selected your featured image, double-check that it looks correct in the preview and that the toggle is still turned on. When you're happy with everything, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click Update if you're editing an existing page, or Publish if this is a new one. That saves your changes and makes the featured image live. And that's all you need to do to set a featured image on your HubSpot pages.